This is the medium size sling bag from Baggu in nylon. I bought this primarily for travel. The color is versatile, it's washable, uber lightweight, and the nylon and strap are very durable. This bag has already lived up to my expectations and beyond. For fashion freaks, this bag also satisfies. Personally, I care more about style than trends, but do note that the rounded sling bag thingy is still currently very much in fashion. This bag has been duped a lot, and most I've seen in stores don't match the quality of this Baggu. It comes in a larger size as well, and also with some with longer straps, and the Baggu brand is famous for having different patterns. But I chose the black because it goes with most of my wardrobe, and even though I'm 5'9", these straps on the longest length are actually more than fine for me. This one is completely in black, even the zipper pulls and buckles, so I don't have to worry about any hardware clashing. I'm one of those people that doesn't like the look of gold and silver together unless it's intentional. The bag can fit a lot too, quite deceptively. It has secured zippered pockets on either inner flap, and I'll quickly share here what I'm currently carrying around for my day. For new moms, this bag would definitely work as a diaper bag, and in fact, it's pretty unisex looking, so great for guys too. And how about a gym bag? Why not? Well, that would depend on your sport, I guess. I'm not sure if all shoes would fit in here. For me, there are two drawbacks to this item, though, and I think I should share. First, though the nylon strap is durable, if I load up my bag and I walk around sightseeing all day, the strap can rub on my shoulders and I have sensitive skin. So I find that I'm safer wearing some sort of top with a collar to avoid this. And second, for me personally, this is an extremely casual bag. Even when I dress down on my non work days, I do tend to prefer a more structured bag to elevate my look a little. Though I do wear it from time to time, like today. So this bag for me is the travel bag. Even if you're more of a dress up girl, I still highly recommend this item. I feel it's great value for money, very durable, and very practical. Yeah.